Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to update the About You section on your Pinterest profile. Pinterest is a fantastic platform for discovering ideas and inspiration, and keeping your profile fresh and up to date is key to attracting the right audience. So, let's get started. First, open your Pinterest app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look for the saved icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it, and then tap your profile icon to access your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, you'll want to find the Edit Profile option. It's usually located near the top of your screen. Tap on Edit Profile to start making changes. Next, you'll see several options for editing your profile details. Look for the About section. This is where you can tell people a little bit about yourself or your brand. Tap on the About section to open it up and begin typing. Here, you can update your current bio with new information. Whether you're highlighting a new project, sharing a recent achievement, or simply refreshing your personal introduction, make sure it reflects who you are and what you're passionate about. Remember, this is your chance to make a great first impression. Be specific and creative, and paint a picture of the transformation you provide. Let the world know exactly who you help and how you help them, and attract your ideal clientele like a magnet. This will give visitors to your account a clear understanding of your superpowers and how you can make their lives better. Once you're satisfied with your updated About section, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Done button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap Done once to save the changes to the About section, and then tap Done again to exit the Edit Profile screen. And that's it. You've successfully updated the About You section on your Pinterest profile. Keeping this section current helps potential followers understand what you're all about, and encourages them to explore your boards and pins. Remember to revisit your About section periodically to ensure it accurately represents your interests and goals. This small update can make a big difference in how others perceive you on Pinterest.